Imagine waking up and realizing you made money while you slept. No calls. No meetings. No posting to social media. Just money flowing in, automatically. That's not a dream anymore. Thanks to AI, it's now possible to build a completely automated system that earns you daily income with minimal effort. In this video, I'll walk you through how this system works, why it's so powerful, and how people just like you are using it to create freedom in their lives. No tech skills. No speaking on camera. No complicated software. Just a few smart tools, and a strategy that works while you rest. Segment 1. The problem with traditional side hustles. Let's be honest. Most side hustles are just second jobs. You trade your time for money, again and again. You might spend hours each day posting on social media, trying to land clients, or chasing small commissions from low-paying gigs. Eventually, you burn out, or worse, you quit. But here's the truth, the internet was built to scale. And AI just made that scale possible for everyone. If you're still doing things manually, you're missing out on the biggest wealth shift of our generation. Segment 2, the AI-powered income stack. Let's break down the system. This automated income machine works because of 3 key tools, each powered or enhanced by AI. 1. AI content generator. Think tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. These tools can write blog posts, product descriptions, video scripts, even social captions, for you in minutes. No need to hire writers or brainstorm for hours. 2. AI designer. Platforms like Canva or Leonardo.ai let you create high-quality thumbnails, ebooks, social posts, and product images without a design degree. Templates and AI suggestions do most of the heavy lifting. 3. Automation hub. This is the engine that ties it all together. Tools like Zapier, Make, or Pabbly can connect your content to platforms like Medium, WordPress, Instagram, or email, automatically. You set the rules, and it runs your business for you. These 3 tools together create a loop. Create once, promote everywhere, and earn consistently. Segment 3, what this system actually does. Here's what your AI system will actually do for you. Generate fresh content with zero writing effort. Design beautiful visuals and products instantly. Auto-post to blogs, YouTube, or social channels. Embed affiliate links, lead magnets, or paid offers. Capture leads and nurture them through automation. Earn passive income while you sleep. It's like cloning yourself, but smarter. You don't have to be online 24/7. The system does the publishing, promotion, and selling, without you lifting a finger after setup. Segment 4, real-world example. Meet Sarah. Let's bring this to life with a real example. Meet Sarah. Sarah was a stay-at-home mom with zero tech background. She wanted to earn extra money but didn't want to be on camera or spend hours working online. So, she built a Faceless blog using AI tools. She used ChatGPT to write articles about trending tech gadgets. She used Canva to design simple PDFs, ebooks, and pin graphics. She connected her blog to ConvertKit and Zapier to send emails automatically. She added Amazon affiliate links to each post and resource. After publishing just 10 AI-powered blog posts and 2 digital products, she started earning $20 to $50 a day in affiliate commissions and product sales. Segment 5, where the money actually comes from. So how does this system make you money? Here are 5 proven income streams built into this AI system. 1. Affiliate marketing. You promote products or services, and earn a commission when someone buys. Add your links into blogs, YouTube descriptions, or ebooks. 2. Digital product sales. Create and sell ebooks, Notion templates, Canva kits, or AI prompt packs. These products are easy to make and have zero inventory. 3. Print on demand. Use AI to design journals, t-shirts, or planners. Connect to platforms like Redbubble, Etsy, or Gumroad. Every sale earns you a royalty. 4. YouTube automation. You don't even need to speak. Just use ChatGPT to write scripts, 11 Labs or Descript to narrate them, and royalty-free visuals for the video. Upload and monetize. 5. Email automation. Collect leads and send valuable content weekly, automated. Promote affiliate links, sell digital offers, or build trust for bigger launches. Each of these alone can be a full-time income. Combined, they create a true auto-income machine. Segment 6. Why AI is the ultimate leverage. Let's talk leverage. In the past, you had to trade your time for money. Now, you can trade AI's time. A single AI tool can write 10 pieces of content while you're out getting coffee. Another can design an entire ebook in minutes. Another can post your work to 5 platforms while you sleep. This isn't about working harder. It's about setting up the right system, once, and letting automation multiply your effort. That's the difference between busy side hustlers and smart creators building passive income. Segment 7. Who this is perfect for. This system is built for people who want real freedom, not just another job. It's perfect for you if you want to earn online without showing your face. You have limited time but big goals. You're a beginner with no coding or design experience. You want to build once and earn long term. You've tried other hustles and got burned out. It doesn't matter where you're starting from. If you can follow simple steps and use basic tools, you can build this. The shift has already started. Here's the big picture. Every day, more creators are ditching manual work for automated systems. AI is changing how we create, promote, and profit online. You don't need to be the smartest or the fastest. You just need to be early and committed. The people who win this year are the ones who build the system once and let it run every single day. This isn't a trend. It's a transformation. So ask yourself, do you want to keep grinding, or do you want to earn while you sleep? What to do next? If this video gave you ideas or opened your eyes to what's possible, hit that like button and subscribe for more. And remember, you don't need more hustle. You need smarter tools, and a system that works for you, not the other way around. Automate smarter. Earn faster. See you in the next one.